इसी टेन्योर में आपकी भी इंजरी हुई थी सर?
हाँ, मेरे को भी एक इंजरी हुई थी. इनफैक्ट वी before that injury, I must tell you that VVT, Valviditturai, that is the area generally which was supposed to be the Prabhakaran's hometown.
अच्छा.
वहीं पे वो पैदा हुआ, बड़ा हुआ, and lot of people they used to respect him for that. वो घर में उसकी मतलब जैसे पूजा करते हैं ना, वो गॉड की तरह फोटो लगा के वो करते थे. मतलब he had developed that kind of a emotional ट्रैक्शन विद द पीपल ऑफ वडा मराची. तो हमें वहाँ पे डिप्लॉय किया. हमारे साथ एक और सिकलाई बटालियन भी थी, नॉट द सेम 13 बट आई थिंक 10 और 11 सिकलाई वाज आल्सो देयर. एंड वी यूज्ड टू डू, मतलब वी वर नॉट होल्डिंग ग्राउंड. हमारा रोल ये नहीं था कि कोई होल्ड ग्राउंड, मतलब वी यूज्ड टू बी इन वन प्लेस एज अ बटालियन हेडक्वार्टर एंड आवर ट्रूप्स यूज्ड टू बी काइंड ऑफ सुपर इम्पोज विद द अदर कंपनीज. कि हम कंपनीज के बेसिस में रहते थे और
किसी इन्फेंट्री यूनिट के साथ,
इन्फेंट्री यूनिट के बेस में रहते थे, और वहाँ से फिर यूज्ड टू डू द पेट्रोलिंग एंड एम्बुशेस एंड ऑल दैट एंड यूज्ड टू रोम अराउंड. एंड वी हैड दोस जोंगास, open jongas, which do not have the canopy and all that. And we had removed a lot of stuff from that to make it lighter so that it is more effective and can move fast in case you have to. But I think in those areas probably it would have been better to use cycles because LTT was using cycles.
Yes.
They were able to move around very quickly and they had learned the art of, because lanes बहुत पतली होती थी जो घरों के बीच में होती थी, और maneuver was also much better. So in that one of the operations what happened was that probably one of the senior political leader of LTT, वहाँ पे हमें ये पता था कि ये पोस्टर्स वगैरह ना और प्रोपेगेंडा वगैरह का मशीनरी जो है इनका चलता रहता है. उस इलाके का कमांडर होता था किट्टू. ही वॉज अ वेरी सीनियर कार्डर ऑफ LTT. लेटर ऑन ही डाइड. So he used to be roaming around over there and all that information is there. But later on we came to know that he moved to Tamil Nadu for his treatment and all that. We don't know whether he survived or not. But he moved to Tamil Nadu. तो ये इसका information था. तो we were roaming around over there and मेरे थोड़ी तो हमने तमिल सीख ली थी. So because used to do interrogation, and interrogation we used to have a Tamil boy and used to ask questions and sometimes used to use your whatever skills are required. ये झूठ बोल रहा है. So those if you have to tell in Tamil more strongly and all that. So the moment I saw those two cyclists coming, they were cyclists who were going across the lane. So we were moving around and I was in the co-driver's seat. So I shouted, Ingeva Thambi, Thambi, come here.
Yes, sir.
So the moment he heard that, sound of Ingeva Thambi, and he lost his confidence. There were two of them. He dropped the cycle and he started running into another lane. So by the time my driver and other people could react, I was the first one to react and respond. But they were so smart, the moment I turned into that lane, without realizing I'm trying to see that guy to shoot him down, there's the other guy who's waiting for me in an ambush and he dropped a grenade. It was such a, whenever you can call it as a stupid mistake and all that, that I was not moving so carefully and I was in a rush to shoot him down. Later on, obviously, some other people got him. But what I'm trying to say is that they were so smart that they used this as an opportunity. One guy is being seen, the other guy is waiting over here and he's behind the hedge and he dropped a grenade and it landed on my legs. And the moment it landed on my legs and it blasted, I don't know what happened. I was just thrown off. And then I said, I have been hit. And by the time the other guy says, sabke lag gayi hai, and they evacuated me over there. But then, in that flash of a moment, the entire life comes in your mind. When you're born, your mother, your close relations, your unit, your everything comes in a flash of mind. That's how the brain works. Because you're just getting stunned. You don't feel the pain. But you know that something is different. Yes. Like you are totally in a different world altogether. But the boys said, they picked me up, put me in the vehicle, gave me the morphine. And then throughout the journey, I could, have those episodes of consciousness and subconscious mind coming and all that. Because the previous evening, or rather 2-3 days back only, one of the boys of Gurkhas was also had the same injuries and they had to cut his leg. Oh. So he was Captain Rawat. Then later on, we were together in the command hospital in Pune. So I remember when I was being taken for the surgery, so I said, my blood group is O negative. Please take care and don't touch my, the femur artery.
Sir.
Because while they were operating on him, because he got a grenade blast and some injuries were there in the stomach and his stomach had bloated. When your stomach gets punctured, so it bloats.
Sir.
तो उसकी स्टमक फूल गई थी. तो जैसे ही उसको ऑपरेट करने लगे, उसकी जो मेन फ्यूमर आर्टरी वाली थी वो स्प्लिंटर भी थी, जो फट गई और उसका पूरा खून खून आने लगा. So then now in that situation you cannot control the blood, the bleeding.
Sir.
So the only way by which you can control the bleeding is you chop off the leg. So matlab, that was the tragedy of this boy, young boy, very smart and very handsome. We met, continued to have contacts later also. But मेरे को याद है when I was going for the surgery, I said that look, I have got a O negative. Please take care and please don't cut my femur artery. पहले check कर लेना कहीं वो femur artery का कोई splinter नहीं. So I still remember because you know the splinters are not that you can really get easily out from your body and your system. Even now I have those splinters. What quite a
हाँ, कुछ रह जाते हैं
बहुत
सर
सारे
बाद में
रहते
भी.
हैं,
Yes.
वो बॉडी के अंदर ही रहते हैं एंड जैसे कि उसके आगे स्किन बन जाती है एंड ऑल दैट. बट आई स्टिल फाइंड दैट मेटल डिटेक्टर से वो टी करते हैं. But that's good, at least I survived and I don't have any other major injuries because of that. Fortunately, the splinters were not so big. If they were big, then probably they could have broken the bones also. Some of the muscles are broken, but then things, you can overcome that by building other muscles. So that is how it was. So Vada Marachi was the area where I had my ambush and for a reason I can't really explain, was it stupid or otherwise, but it was a good experience in the sense that I survived.
नहीं सर, मुझे मेरा वाला याद आ गया जब आप कमांड कर रहे थे. मेरे से ज़्यादा स्टूपिड तो
No, sometimes I keep saying that until you fool around and not learn from your own experiences, ना, you don't learn enough. तो उसके बाद की जो मेरी वो है ना, वो मैं बहुत सोच समझ के करता था.